Hello, in this video, we will show how to activate the SETAF 2018 license manually. First, we open the License Manager software from the Axle Engineering folder in the Start menu. In the License Manager window, we will enter the user ID and key 1 manually instead of getting them from the SETAF account. For this, we uncheck the option Use SETAF account credentials. Then we click the Visit Your SETAF account link. On the page that opens in the browser, enter your SETAF account username. After entering the username, the system asks for the password. If you have logged in before, it may appear automatically. If not, type it manually. It must end with SETAF.org. Now enter your password. This takes you to your SETAF account. Here, we open the SETAF 2018 tab and go to the fields showing the user ID and activation key. We copy the user ID and paste it into the related field in the License Manager software. We also copy the activation key from the SETAF account and paste it into the related field. After entering the user ID and activation key, we click the Activate button to complete the activation. Once activation is completed, it appears in the machines linked to your license. It is also shown as the currently active machine. Thank you for watching.